In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to create an ID variable in SPSS that assigns a unique number to each case or person in your dataset. On screen, you can see that we're working with a dataset that has 3 variables, but right now there's no unique ID to distinguish one case from another. To create an ID variable, we click Transform, then Compute Variable. In the Compute Variable dialog box that you see on screen, we need to do 3 things. First, in the Target Variable box, we type the name of our new ID variable. We'll just call it ID. Secondly, under Function Group, on the right, we select All. Finally, under Functions and Special Variables, select $case num and drag it to the Numeric Expressions box at the top. Once we've done this, we click OK. SPSS will now generate the ID variable and add it to our dataset. Each row now has a unique ID number. That's basically it, but there are a couple of optional cleanup steps. You can move the new variable so that it appears first in the dataset. Just click on the column heading and drag it over. And if you want to remove the decimal points after the ID number, go to the Variable View tab and then in the decimals column for the ID variable, change the value from 2 to 0. And that's it. You've added a simple ID variable to your dataset. By the way, if you prefer written tutorials, check out our website, easyspss.com. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.